Sewlush, easy projects fully explained. How to clean the sticky residue from your embroidery hoops. Hello, I'm Christine from Sewlush, and today I'm just doing a quick tutorial on how to clean your hoops. If you can see on my hoop, I've got this sticky residue and then fibres stick to it. And this comes about from using different sorts of stabilisers and also from using 505 spray, temporary glue. So this is what I'm using for this. I've got a piece of cotton which has been cut off the bottom of an old t-shirt, and I've got a bottle of this. This is eucalyptus oil. You can get this from chemist shops. Boots sell it, and it's perfect for this job. So just put a bit of eucalyptus oil on your cloth. Make sure your cloth's wet. And then just work your way around your hoop. Eucalyptus oil can also be used for anything that's got glue or things like that stuck to it. I use it a lot when I'm doing frame bags and frame purses because it just takes the glue straight off the frame. So that one's finished. The smell is absolutely beautiful. You can also use this glue on your area of your sewing machine under your needle where you often get a build-up. It'll clean that as well. Eucalyptus oil won't stain, and it doesn't harm plastic. It won't make your plastic brittle or anything like that, unlike some other products. So that's what you're left with. Nice, clean, not sticky hoop. You can use this on any size hoops, any brand hoops. These are Brother hoops, but you can use them on any sort of hoop really, and you'll get the same result. So that's what you need, and that's